Welcome into the headquarters here of CSG. Here at my desk, owner Michael Pittman. Very happy to be showing you guys today our M519. This is our official unboxing. So here it is, our beautiful retail-ready packaging. I think once again, just like with our M106 product, we did a very good job having the retail packaging look very high-end for what is really an entry-level product in terms of pricing. And we've done some very cool things with making a high-tech device very affordable. It's some really excellent packaging that shows you some of the use cases and some of the highlights of the features. Really proud what the graphics team came up with. All right, so when you open the box, first thing you're going to do is remove the insert that has all of your antenna, and the device does come static with 6 antenna, which we do recommend at all points to have running with your device because there's functionality behind every antenna. You've got your 5G antennas, LTE antennas, and Wi-Fi 6. All 6 are needed for the device to really do everything that you need it to do, and those will come separately right there in the top of the box. Very high quality antennas that we produced with our M519. We have our very simple user guide as well, and it's just, we tried to make it as simple as possible for customers of all technology education levels to be able to easily understand. And it's a very simple, easy to use, everything from mounting the device if you'd like to do that, which we'll get into the mounting equipment, as well as the actual instructions for getting your device set up and the warranty information right there in your user guide. We've got hardware mounting equipment, and I'll go ahead and set out this beautiful thing, and I'll get to some of these mounting options. So you've got your window mount, which resides in the bottom of the package. This is something that we have only seen exclusive to the M519. It's the ability to mount a gel-like substance from our Cell Gel Mounts product onto the back of your hard mount and actually apply it directly to windows. And you can do a fair amount of research. You'll see that C-band location and getting maximum 5G penetration. You want it to be near a window. You want it to have that line of sight and visibility. You've got the ability to go directly on the window here with the 519, which is just very, very cool. We were really excited about that feature when we designed it. The mount itself comes initially attached to the device. Make sure I'm pulling this off the right way. So you've got the hard mount, which you can mount physically to anything, a wall, anywhere that you want to physically mount it. You can even go to your ceiling tiles up above. There's a lot of different options there. And your device comes with the actual mounting hardware here as well. So you've got your really high quality power adapter here. And I point these things out because we take a lot of time and energy on the accessories being high quality. We found that, you know, to eliminate returns and to keep the customers happy, like simple things like, you know, making a solid rugged adapter so that it doesn't bend and pinch and give the customer issues. And you'll see when you get this in your hands, this is legit. You know, this is a solid, really nice, well-made adapter. So that is included in every box. Not included, you do have the ability, especially for that window mount feature that I told you about, to add a PoE injector. So you can power the product through a PoE injector, which you can get through us as well if you don't have an outlet immediately very close by your window mount. So that's something you can reach out to us and look into. And then you have your M519 itself. This has been culmination of about 18 months of work to provide for you a true battery-enabled 5G router. The only one on the market that has the actual battery built into the device. It is not removable. It is designed to be in there and be reliable and be steady for you if there's power outages or service outages. And it's part of the, you know, interior of the product. Again, the antennas that you see here, you'll see the antenna mounts on the device. You've got your DC adapter in, you've got your USB in, you've got a WAN and a LAN port, you've got all your antenna ports over here, you've got the rubber cover here that gives you access to all of your SIM slots and your data ports. It's dual SIM, very important that you, obviously, you know, it's a dual SIM product. You've also got an SD card slot, you've got your reset switch, and it's all under this, again, very high quality, very well fitting cover to protect all of that when you insert all your SIM slots. So that's it, guys. The product is available now. It is built to be high quality. It's very, very well made. We're getting great reports back from customers to date, and we're just thrilled to death with it. So thank you for taking a minute and clicking through. This has been your M519 from CSG.